lighting is very, very bad. I'm also using a different camera because my other camera is just not doing very well. But this camera is not really capturing what I would like for it to capture. But I'm guessing you might get the point. But hello beautifuls, how have you been? I know it has been about, oh my goodness, almost a year. But I've been busy. I should look in the camera. I have been busy, again, camera issues, but we're going to push through this. But I've been very busy. My sister got married. It's just so much that's been going on for the last year. I just haven't had the time. But I'm back and I'm making the time, doing more videos. I have been doing a lot of wigs this summer. And I really did a number on my edges. So I'm leaving out some edges, even though in the beginning of this tutorial you'll see that I started off with this, leaving this side out. I only left this side out because I was able to braid this down without too much tension. Leaving it out, it would not match my hair. It just wasn't working. So decided not to do that. And just a couple things, I guess, with leaving hair out. I just really love this hair. First of all, love this hair. And I'm going to give props to Miss Living Freely, I think it is. But I'll have it down there because I looked at her video of this hair and I absolutely love it. And I just got a different color. It's 99J. I'll leave a link to the hair in the bottom. You need to subscribe, thumbs up if you like this video. And it's just, it's not a whole lot of tips and tricks. You've seen some of this before, but I did do a hide the knot kind of a thing, even though I got some hair coming over. Just, I didn't like as much hair on that side, so I pulled some hair over, so you really can't see the knots. And I did hide them a little bit in the front. I didn't hide them going all the way around. I'm not going to pull this part up, so I didn't need to go through all of that. Just hid them here and around here. So thank you beautifuls for coming back. Come back. And I will see you soon. Have a great and wonderful day. Thank you. Okay, beautifuls. Just here, the only thing I'm showing you is just the hair and how it comes out. It's the wand twist curls, and I'm just separating it. And I've separated the whole pack. I did 2 packs, and I separated every one of each pack. So I was able to use only 2 packs for a full install for my head. So wasn't very expensive, $20 for a full head. So I'm just showing you how it looks with the ringlet curls and the hair that I left out, which later on you'll see on the one side I didn't leave it all the way out. So this is 1 full pack. So almost my whole head is done with only 1 pack. So 1 pack just did that part, and which means you would think that I did leave a lot of space in between so that I would be able to only use 1 pack. But in the back you can, and then towards the front kind of put it closer together. Here I'm just showing doing the hiding of the knots. I don't know why I can't come up with what it's actually called, but you know what it's called. But I'm hiding the knots here. I'm just showing you how I just take the one side. I kind of use the little hook to do it instead of taking the hook out and doing it with my hand. I found it easier to just hook it in a couple times and do the knots. But that's pretty much how it looks, hiding the knots. Now think that's just showing it in color, how it looks to hide all the knots. But I really do like that method. Now I'm actually done with my hair, and I took out the front part. As I'm looking at it, I'm seeing that I really don't like that side right there. I really don't like how it looks when adding it with my hair. It just doesn't, my hair won't twist right. So I braided it up, as you see here. I didn't like that little twist, so I braided it up, and I just hid the knots right there. I put my hair back with some gel, slicked it back a little bit. I can hide it with the hair over there, so turned out pretty good. So hopefully you like it. Here's some pics, and thumbs up. Let me know how you enjoyed the video or how you like the hair. The hair is gorgeous. It's simply gorgeous. It's, you know, very low maintenance. I hope you really like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, beautifuls. Bye.